My name is Manifold Jude, Business Group Head, Software. I head the Microsoft Dex at TD Africa. What most people know about Microsoft is basically Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. But today, Microsoft has gone beyond that. They help businesses communicate, collaborate, and protect their data, and also embrace artificial intelligence. Here at TD Africa, we help organizations adopt Microsoft solutions like Microsoft 365, Azure, Windows Server, Dynamics 365, Power Platform, and AI. Whether you're an SME or a large enterprise, our goal is to help businesses become more productive and secure and digitally connected. So you might wonder, how does Microsoft help businesses today? Now, for SMEs, Microsoft provides licenses like Microsoft 365 Business Basic, Business Standard, and Business Premium. This delivers professional email, Microsoft Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, and SharePoint, making collaboration simple and secure. Now, for businesses that are way above 300, that's enterprise businesses, you could get Microsoft licenses like the Microsoft 365 E3, E5, Office 365 E3, E5, together with some licenses for security, Microsoft Defender, Entra ID, and iTunes. All these are basically to help businesses to provide advanced security, identity management, and compliance, enabling organizations to work confidently from anywhere. Now, let's talk about AI. AI is changing the way people work, and Microsoft is at the forefront with Microsoft 365 Copilot, Copilot Studio, and Agentic AI. Today, businesses can create intelligent AI agents that can perform real business tasks.